Hi, Captain Wester. I'm David Carrion here with my sister, and we are gonna play you a couple songs today. I was a camper for 6 years. Um, Last time I was up at camp was about 3 years ago, and I also uh, was on the I was hired for the waterfront position this year, so I would have been on the waterfront, but sadly, we are away this summer. So
Hi, I'm Virginia Carrion, and I have been going to camp for 5 years, and I would have been away fair this year.
here's Four Strong Winds. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all the things that don't change just come running. But the good times are gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Think of Alberta, where there's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go to working for, but I wish you'd change your mind if we ask you one more time. Well, we've been through this 100 times or more. Four strong winds that go lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change come again. But all our good times are gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there for the snow flies and if things are going good, I could meet you